Hello and Assalamualaikum. I bid to Madam Farah and all my classmates. My name is Amir Syahmi. I am the first presenter, and today we want to find the death count and the annual death rate of Malaysia by using the least square method. So death rates are the measure by the number of deaths per unit time in a population. This statistic can be used to measure the overall health of a population. Among the causes of death, the mortality rate includes accidents, substances, abuse, and suicides. So we want to investigate whether the change of rate of death in Malaysia correlates with the number of deaths using the least square method. By using this method, we can identify the best fit line for a given collection of data, and by the using of the least square method approach, it is a type of mathematical regression analysis that shows the relationship between the data points visually. The table beside me is the data set of the Malaysia death count from year 2003 until 2022. So before we want to solve this question, first we need to know how to use the least square method. Okay, so when we use the least square method, we can obtain the best fitting curve of the best fit line for a set of data points by minimizing the sum of the square of the offset or residual component of the points from the curve. When determining the correlation between two variables, the trend of the result is statically calculated. So we have three types of least square method. The first one is a linear model. The second one is the quadratic model, and the third one is the cubic model. Okay, to solve this least square method using linear model equation, first we need to find the matrix. So we can declare the matrix. The first one is M, C, and V. The M matrix is the deaths per 1,000 people, and then the C matrix is the annual death rate for Malaysian in every year, and then the V matrix is the AB. So to answer this question, next we need to find the normal equation. Therefore, to find the normal equation, the formula is the inverse of M transpose M multiplied by M transpose C, and then the answer you will get the matrix of 7.92 and 89.05. Therefore, you can get the equation for the linear model, which is y equal to negative 7.81 plus 1.80x. After finding the normal equation, then you need to find the error vector and the magnitude. To find the error vector, you can use the formula E equal to C minus by MV. So you will get the answer matrix here, which is negative 0.79 until negative 0.35, and then the answer for the magnitude error, which is 3.11. From here, you can construct a linear graph using the least square method that we used earlier. So this is the result of a graph of a linear model that we solve using least square method. From here we can see that the result of a scatter plot and the best fit line of a linear model.
For quadratic model, first we will set up the formula, which is y equal to a plus bx plus cx square. Then we can construct its normal equation. With that, we can obtain the least square solution, which is negative 1.35, negative 0.22, and negative 0.48. After that, we can get the error magnitude for this data. From our least square solution, we can obtain its best fit quadratic curve, which is y equal to negative 1.35 minus 0.22x minus 0.48x squared. From the error, we can also find the error magnitude, which is 65.29.
So next we can continue with the cubic model, that is the power of 3. First of all, we need to find the least square method. The given m, the first column is for the variable 1, the second column is for the variable x, and the third column is for x or x squared, and the fourth column is for x cubed, and then the given matrix C. So next we can find the normal equation by using the formula V equal to M transpose multiplied by M, and the answer we need to inverse it. After that we multiply by M transpose multiplied by C, and then we can get the normal equation, that is negative 140.19 plus 78.28x minus by 26.56x squared and plus 3.02x cubed. Next, we need to find the error vector and the magnitude. To find the error vector, we need to use the formulas E equal to C minus MV. After we get the error vector, we need to find the magnitude. To find the magnitude, we need to square all the error vector and then total it. After that, we need to square root all the total, and then we get the magnitude, that is 189.96. So last, for the cubic model, we can find the graph of best fit curve against its observed data. So this is the graph for the cubic model.
Okay, now we move on to the last part, which is the analysis and the conclusion. So in this part, we want to find which equation records the most accurate best fit line. Therefore, for this analysis, we can find out that the linear equation records the most accurate best fit line, as it records the minimum error in terms of magnitude. Okay, so this is the graph for the linear method. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you for watching.